Hello and thank you so much for servicing with us. If you've been sent this video, then your vehicle could greatly benefit from a throttle body service. The throttle body plays a crucial role in your vehicle's engine's performance. It regulates the amount of air entering into the engine, which is essential for maintaining an optimal fuel combustion. Regular servicing of the throttle body is vital to ensure smooth operation, fuel efficiency, and prevent potential engine problems. Throughout the course of this video, we'll educate you as to what a throttle body service is and how it'll benefit your vehicle. Let's first start by understanding exactly what a throttle body is. The throttle body is a component of the air intake system, typically located between the air filter and the intake manifold. It contains a butterfly valve that opens and closes to control the airflow into the engine based on the driver's acceleration input. This airflow is then mixed with fuel to produce the necessary power for the vehicle. Why then is the throttle body servicing so important? Improved engine performance. Over time, the throttle body can accumulate dirt and carbon deposits. These deposits can obstruct airflow, leading to poor engine performance, reduced acceleration, and rough idling. Regular cleaning and servicing help maintain smooth throttle response and engine performance. Enhance fuel efficiency. A dirty or malfunctioning throttle body can disrupt the air-fuel mixture, resulting in inefficient combustion and increased fuel consumption. By ensuring the throttle body is clean and functioning properly, you can improve fuel efficiency and save on fuel costs. Prevention of engine issues. Neglecting throttle body maintenance can lead to more significant engine problems. For example, a stuck or clogged throttle body can cause erratic engine behavior or even stalling. Regular servicing helps prevent these issues and ensures the engine runs smoothly. Reduced emissions. An improperly functioning throttle body can lead to incomplete combustion, increasing harmful emissions. Keeping the throttle body clean helps in maintaining proper combustion, reducing your vehicle's emissions, and contributing to a cleaner environment. When to service your throttle body. It does range between manufacturers and also between individual driving habits. Generally, every 40 to 60,000 kilometers is safe for most manufacturers. With that being said, if it is being recommended for valid reasons such as a rough idle, poor acceleration, or an illuminated check engine light, the service may be required to solve those issues. Throttle body servicing is a critical aspect of vehicle maintenance that should not be overlooked. By keeping the throttle body clean and properly functioning, you ensure optimal engine performance, improved fuel efficiency, and reduced emissions. Regular maintenance helps prevent more serious issues and contributes to the overall longevity and reliability of your vehicle. If you would like us to move forward with your throttle body service, let us know right away. And if you have any additional questions, please do call in and we'll do our best to get them answered for you. Thank you so much, and I'm looking forward to hearing from you soon.